Hello, my name is J.W. Peters with Solar Power of Oklahoma, and today we're going to talk about properly sizing your solar generation system. Most of our systems are sized between a 70 and 80% consumption replacement, and we get the question all the time, well, hey, why did La La Land Solar come out and size me and price me up a system for 100%, 120% offset? By the way, they tell me that they're going to give me a check every month for all this overproduction, and in most cases that's just not the case. We really look at our systems to be able to give our customers the best return on investment, and so that's normally between a 70 and 80% consumption offset. Keep in mind that during the summer we're going to produce better. The days are longer, the sun is over the northern hemisphere, and therefore we're going to be able to provide better solar generation during the summer months. However, most customers have an extremely high consumption during the summer months too. So it kind of peaks in the summer to where our production is just kind of more of a Cheshire moon. So we kind of take those peaks in that Cheshire moon and kind of level it out to be able to give you the best return on investment. So if you have somebody that comes into your home and tells you, hey, we're going to size you at 120% offset and the utility is going to write you a check every single month, buyer beware, because that's not how it works in most cases. In some cases it does, but in most cases it doesn't. But if you'd like to learn more about solar or Solar Power of Oklahoma, please go to our website or check out our YouTube channel to learn more. Thank you.